Hey, I'm Laura from Hello Prim, and I'm here to explain how to file a complaint. In the case that you are not satisfied with your order, we are ready to do everything that we can to fix it for you. First, go to your account and click on the Submit Complaint button. You will be directed to the complaint form, which requires you to fill out a few details, including your order number, product, and complaint type. We will also ask you to briefly explain why you are not satisfied with your order and your preferred solution. We do require you to send us a few photos that allow us to assess your complaint and ensure that we can resolve it in the best and quickest manner. These images must include one picture with multiple examples of the products ordered, a close-up shot of the issue, and a photo of the shipping label. If your complaint is valid, we can offer you the following options. First, you can return your order and get a free reprint with our fastest delivery time. Second, you can also return your order to receive a full refund. Or you can keep your print product and receive a 10% refund or discount off your next order. If you choose to return your products, we will provide you with a shipping label so you're able to return your product at no additional cost. We will always do our best to ensure that we can resolve any issues and find the best solution together.